Hello guys, and welcome to another edition of Mark's Messy Garage. Well, today I'm not going to be in the garage. Today I'm actually going to take you out for a little ride on my motorbike. I wanted just to just get a feeling and see what this amazing Switchback, one of the most underrated motorcycles in Harley Davidson range, can actually do. There she is. Okay, so come and join me for this nice little ride. Okay. Here we go, everyone. I don't know anything about stats and figures and performance and horsepower. I just know what it's like to experience the thrill of riding one of these wonderful machines. All I can say is, if you're looking for second-hand Harley Davidson, it's not going to set you back too much money, but it's fast, nimble, different, stands out from the crowd. You can also fit a bit of luggage in it. You can do loads of different things for it. You can have the screen off, you can have the screen on, feel the wind in your hair, or just not feel the wind in your hair, be protected from the elements. This is a great bike. And also, I'll tell you something about this bike that the Sports Guide doesn't have. Doesn't have footboards as standard, but also doesn't have colour-coded hard bags, which are incredible, which just give it a great look. Okay, it's got the M8 engine, but that's subjective if you prefer that. To be honest with you, I find the M8, when you're poodling around town and you're not doing too much, you could be riding anything. With this, if you're doing 10 miles an hour or 50 or 70 miles an hour, it still feels exactly the same. Now, I don't know whether you're allowed to review your own bike. Probably, maybe. I'm a bit biased. But all I can tell you is I've been riding bikes for decades now. All sorts. I had sports bikes. I had other custom bikes. And I've stopped looking. I now stopped looking at other bikes. This Switchback has made me stop wanting any other bikes. I've been to Harley, I've been test riding other models. I took out a street glide, road glide, thinking, oh yeah, that's the next step up. Enjoyed them. They're just incredibly comfortable bikes. Really enjoyed them. But I thought, well, I've already got that. Okay, it's got a bit more space, a little bit more comfort. You've got the stereo, but it doesn't have the performance. It doesn't have the flickability. And I would never ever want to swap my bike. So that's it, Harley. Thank you very much. You have now closed the chapter in my book. I'm more than happy to ride this, keep this, I don't own another motorcycle. This is it. This is the one I use all the time. Because if I had another bike to ride, I probably would be thinking, oh, I should be riding my Switchback. So hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, if you have, just leave your comments, your usual stuff, subscribe if you want to see more. And thanks for joining me today. Goodbye.